Hey guys, out here doing some more hybrid fishing with the Cyclops 3/8. That's the hammerhead. We've got a big 5-inch swim bait on here. And look here, I think we're gonna get him turned on. You guys stay tuned for some big action here, okay? I'm gonna let him go. And we're hooked up, guys. Better grab the net for this one. Okay, there. Got him on that big Cyclops 3/8. It's a big hammerhead. This is the new color of the 3/8 hammerhead coming out. These fish are laying on the bottom and we're letting our jig go down to the bottom here and ripping it away from them. They get very aggressive. A slow presentation isn't doing it. We're gonna let this sucker go. I need to find my towel and wipe my hands off. You guys stay tuned. This is Cyclops fishing right here at its best. We're hooked up again, guys. That was another one. Taking some strength this time. He ain't ready. Ready to go. We're gonna cut him loose and let him go again.